Hi, today from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we are baking homemade light, airy coconut cookie. Turn on the oven to 350 degrees. Put some foil on top of the baking sheet. I have with me some coconut flour and coconut chip. So I'll be grinding about 1 cup of coconut in here. Why you have to grind it? Because it come like that. So it is very big. It doesn't look good and it doesn't taste good in the cookie. So you need to grind that. It will blend in our flour. We'll add in here the dry ingredient. It's 1 cup of flour. This is ½ cup of almond flour. Less than ½ cup of sugar. Brown one or white one is okay with me. ½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, a little bit of salt. We're going to use a ½ cup more of coconut flour like that. Okay, that our dry ingredients are all in. We mix all the dry ingredients together. Just a little bit of jello so the cookie won't be too white. Now we are going to use wet ingredients to put them in here. I mix a little bit of like a tablespoon of jello water to put them in there for wet ingredient. 2 eggs. This is what we call wet ingredient, okay? ½ cup of yogurt. ½ cup of yogurt. Any kind of yogurt you have. And then with that, I will put in 1 stick of butter at room temperature. And I will mix it together now. Take a little time to make sure everything blend in. This is how much cookie you have made. Okay, use the ice cream scoop to scoop them onto the plate to bake, okay? See how pretty already your coconut cookie? We're going to put some pecan on top of it. Okay, we can put the tray in now for baking. 2 trays of coconut cookies are in there. Homemade, light and airy formula. Check it at 15 minutes. Okay, now 18-20 minutes. Your cookies are done. The coconut cookies are done, so we'll take them out. Here they are. Look how pretty they are. Also light and airy. Coconut cookie, light, airy. Look, magic, it came out all good. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.